Hello everyone, this is BOGONG Machinery. Today we will show you our new design type, 3-in-1 smaller laser welding machine. This machine can finish the welding, cleaning and cutting. Here is the machine operation panel. We can change the parameters via the control panel. Still can save the often using parameter inside the system. Can be fast setting it before work. We can see here have the machine system switch, laser switch and the emergency switch. The emergency stop protects the operator from the danger during the working. Open the machine control cabinet. We can see the machine laser source and water chiller. These are all inside the machine. Can save a lot of the safe space. The water chiller, dual temperature and dual control function. Stable and reliable performance, energy saving, and also with the alarm function, it brings us a lot of convenience when we use. The machine laser head we use Super brand. The head only with 0.7 kg weight, which makes operator work more longer time per day. Machine focus mirror, protection mirror like a drawer, is convenient replacement. This head improved in insulation, with which gives the biggest protection. The laser cable we provide is 10 meters, is convenient to move and use. The machine with special nozzle for meet different work, help you get the better working effect. Whole machine very easy to learn. One person only needs some minutes to become the skilled worker. The machine still including auto wheel feeding system. Support max 1.6 mm diameter. Metal wire, the double wire feeding wheel which gives a more stable support for the machine working.
Okay.